greetings from Orchard. Today I'm walking towards the Midpoint Mall, one of the old school retro mall in Singapore. So right now at Starbucks, walking towards the Somerset area. This is still the Orchard, so join me for this adventure as we explore different buildings. Wisma Atria, Ion in front, Hilton Hotel, and Shaw Plaza on the left side. It's a nice park here, Terra. Lots of Amor come here and just chill. Right here I'm inside Yon Orchard. It's a very big shopping mall with lots of stuff like the Swatch watch device, and there's even a food court somewhere else. Sephora, directly connected to Orchard MRT, man. Victoria's Secret thing. But I find the designs a bit boring, sorry to say that. Singapore stuff, I mean for the females clothing is a bit too traditional. But because this is like an Asian country, so yeah, it depends on the person as well. There's a food court at the basement 3, but I'm not going to explore that because I'm making my way to the Midpoint. It's a very old school mall there. I'm not exploring ever, so I'm going there. Dior. It's the only place in Singapore that has a blue line in the mall, man. In Orchard, there's a special thing called the ice cream uncle. They sell the ice cream at $3 and lots of tourists they come here and eat. You see a queue here, there are more on the other side. Wow, there's a Super Mario Galaxy movie stuff here. We are reaching the famous Takashimaya Nihon City, Nihon. The very iconic brown building with lots of superstar brands like Louis Vuitton and Chanel. And opposite we have some kind of other lots of like malls, Lucky Plaza, the Little Philippines of Singapore, because lots of Filipino hang out there. There's also a Paragon mall right over there. Lots of luxury brands. But for Takashimaya, it's like it's not only the luxury brands. They have other stuff like food stuff, the basement, and other shopping stuff. And this direction it leads to the Somerset MRT, where there are more malls, like 313 Somerset, and even there's a 111 Somerset. A less explored mall. I counted at least over 10 malls in Orchard Road, and some of them include the old school malls. That means they are really like very old, with the 1970s. And I just explored the Far East Shopping Centre. I came over from there. There's another famous Uncle Ching ice cream in front. I think it's also $3 for different flavor. The uncle until he's old already and his son is assisting him. Oh, here is $2. So it's cheaper than the other store. The other store is $3. This is $2. There's also the 5-star Pullman hotels here. I'll show you guys the Apple store in Singapore in Orchard. They sell the latest iPhones. Anyway, explore this Paragon, come here. It actually come a nice experience. Lots of luxury brands. And the name of this street is quite unique. It's called Everyday Fort Road. We have a big Adidas shop right here. You know the brand is Three Stripes. There's some jersey. Oh, that name is like Kimchi. Kimmy. And we have reached the Apple store in just a few meters. You can change your battery, buy the latest iPhone 17. Anyway, every year September, right? In September they will launch the newest iPhone. So the next one will be iPhone 18 in September 2026. It's only like 6 months away, and it's like launched on the first week. iPhone enthusiasts, they was hoping for a 3TB or even higher gig model for the iPhone 18 Pro Max this year. Hey, even pets are allowed inside. I'm quite curious, surprised. There's a very big Nike shop here. Wow. It's a Courts also. Courts in Orchard. That's quite unique, right? Like recently, I mean last year there's a Samsung that opened in the cafe. Right here in the heart of Orchard Road. And many people were surprised. I went there 3 times. It's very small and cramped. So I still prefer the NTUC, to be honest. So where is the mall I'm going to? It's around here, near Somerset MRT. I think it's in front, after the cafe light. And by the way, there should be a name for this mall. Maybe it's Yojima. It's actually Courts, the building here. Yojima is on the right side. Oh, this building is called Kirin. I've not come here for a long time, that's why.